Elisebe lemicimbi yasekhaya lithi liphonononga imithetho eliqela elawula imitshato ngelokuqinisekisa ukuba imitshato yenkolo yamaMuslim nemitshato yesintu iyabhaliswa kweli sebe. Kodwa kukho nengxoxo-mpikiswano ngesiphakamiso sokuba amanina angakwazi ukutshata abayeni ababini nangaphezulu.
From the debates I've listened to, it became clear to me that many of such commentators did not even bother to read the green paper document that we have given to them. Right at the beginning of that document is written the following words, and I quote, "The green paper is not the official policy position of government. It only articulates possible policy options or proposals that are based on inputs received from stakeholders during ministerial dialogues."
Umphathiswa uthi nekomishoni yezonyulo sele ithenge izixhobo eziza kuqinisekisa ukuba abantu abavoti kabini ngonyulo lomasipala ngo-Okthobha. Umotsoaledi uphinde waxinwa nangemibuzo engqamelane nemigca emide kwaye nobuxhaka-xhaka obungasebenziyo kweli sebe.
Mr. Motsoaledi declared war on the Jews at the Home Affairs. And then instead of dealing with the problems, it rather seemed that he himself is the problem. And he has not started any war against any long queues at the Home Affairs.
For many, visiting a Home Affairs office means taking a day off work to queue for hours on end, only to be told to come back tomorrow because the systems are offline again. Systems that are perpetually offline have become synonymous with this department.
Umphathiswa uthi ezingxaki ziyaqwalaselwa. Kusenjalo, uMotsoaledi uphindwe wafuna ingxelo yokuba waphuma njani kweli umprofeti uShepherd Bushiri nowakwakhe.
The DA called on the minister to account. He appeared before the portfolio committee and advised that he doesn't know how this couple left our country, and further told us that he will meet with other departments involved and provide feedback. And to this day, there has been no report from the minister. The minister is failing the citizens of this country.
Umphathiswa khange abe nethuba lokuphendula lo mbuzo wesisibini sakwaBushiri. Xolelani Philip, SABC News ePalamente.